Hello, you're welcome to this video. My name is Shedrach, and this is part 2 video on our ongoing video series on this. Okay, the last time I talked on this, we were able to look at the world of telecom business in Nigeria. And at the same time, we streamline our business to get started by picking a package on bulk order. So for the benefit of people that are watching the video for the first time, the worth of telecom business in Nigeria is 70 billion, okay? $70 billion. And we are looking at how do we tap into this business to profit from it. That is our target in this business. Remember, this is the beginning of the year and they need to get something right. Now, if you look in the Legit Business TV channel, you will discover that I made this video just one day ago. This particular video that you are seeing here. Let me use let me circle it so that you understand it. So this particular video, I explained to you why you need to pick the first package on bulk order. I also give you resources you need to have to get started. So I'm going to leave a link to this video to watch so that you watch it alongside, because this is the part 2 of this video. By the way, please do well to subscribe to the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for checking out on our updates. Here on the Legit Business TV, what I do is I teach you how to become financially free. This can only be possible through either building a telecom business or engaging on cryptocurrency trading. For my students, these two things get you to become financially free. So if you are skeptical or you think you needed more clarification on that, our hotline remains this. You can chat up on WhatsApp or call any time of the day for any of our businesses we are presenting on the channel. So this channel is dedicated to you being able to learn how to build thriving, ethical online and information marketing business in the world, not just in Nigeria. So if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for stopping by to check on our updates. This video specifically is based on the continuation. I said if you go to instantmobile.com.ng/bulk order, we are picking first package in this business. Okay, out of the whole set of solutions we are settling with the one of 13,500, and we are also picking some certain things like the course I told you on this video. So I'm going to still leave the link of what I mentioned in that video, but today what we are looking is the pricings. How do we price? Since the worth of telecom business in Nigeria is $70 billion, and then we have seen that several telecom business has come to stay, has spring up in the couple of years. As a matter of fact, I was the one that started telecom business in terms of marketing the business way back 2015. So I understand the business too well enough. We are the old players in the industry, let me put it that way. So way back 2014, 2015, I started marketing. That was data mobile. Okay, so instant mobile itself is almost it started that 2015. So instant mobile is a very old platform, so it's not like today. Why I am citing all these references for you is to prove to you that this is the right company to partner with. So it's not like we're just new to the business. We are not. And I have seen several things. I've seen several platforms come and go. Some are still standing by. So you cannot run the business like others. You need to follow a guide, and I'm guiding you on this. So I say pick a package, which is MSD Pack 1. Okay. The budget we are looking at is this. when you start the business at a low scale and the things start working for you, you can think of upgrading to a higher packages and all that. But today, on this video, we are looking at you picking the first package here. Okay, so after picking the package, you pick the course which I highlighted on this video. I don't want to mention what you are not supposed to pick. You're going to pick a course here, two courses here. The one is Telecom Hackbook Blueprint. The other one is the YouTube Mastering course. And I explained to you on this video why you should pick the two. So once you pick them, then what is going to be the price you are going to be selling this year product? Remember, you are going to be getting SME at rate of either 210 to 230 because the prices are not fixed because of the dynamic aspect of MTN. Right now, we are selling at 219 at this package. That is the sale rate on this package. At the moment of recording this video, the price may change anytime you are watching the video, but the rate at which you are selling it is 219. So I have drafted a table. Okay, do not skip any part of this video because I'm about to show you something. If you look at this table, this is the prices table. You know, when you want to do any business, don't do it out of range. Don't do it because you have emotions or maybe others are doing, so I want to do the same. You need to follow a guide and principle. Remember, this is a small scale telecom business you want to launch. I'm still going to be talking about the higher scale business in the channel. So please subscribe and like and share this video because when I want to talk on that, you'll be notified on your email. But today we are looking at small scale business, how you can actually make 200,000 naira every month, starting with just 25,000. And I have showed you why you should do it in this video. Why the cost of the whole thing should be 25K. But today we are looking at the prices. So if you look here, you can see serial number. The serial number is there. You can see it here, serial number. Then daily sales. What is really a daily sales? Daily sales has to do with the sales that you sell every day. So in the first section, the other section here, which you can see here, is price evaluation. Price evaluation. Okay, so the price evaluation here is talking about how much are you going to be selling. So in the first day, you say 50 daily sale, it's going to be 50. The sale cost. The sale cost has to do with how much are you selling to your audience in this example. So we're looking at you having something that people can buy from you. So 225. Remember, you must know how much you are buying. Okay, most of my video, I do a lot of explanation, but people are very, very funny. When after explaining all this, you see them in WhatsApp, they will still be asking, okay, how do I sell? How much do I sell? I'm explaining this in this video. Okay, so if you come here, you will see that in this package, what you need to do is to take up your phone and go to admin on WhatsApp and ask, please, what is the current rate of MSD Pack 1? How much is the rate? Okay, but the rate will never fall. It will always fall between this range. If the rate falls above it, then you also adjust your own sale margins based on what I'm teaching you here. But right now, the current sale margin for this bulk order one, MSD Pack 1 is 219 naira. So when I come here, you will discover that when you minus, you are getting the products at the rate of 219 naira. But we are selling at 225. So if you minus this from the rate, so you'll be left with 6 naira. So invariably, what you are selling, as in profit you are making, profit per se, is 6 naira. I believe I'm making sense here. So the monthly target sale, that is M target sale, monthly target sale is actually 2,000 worth of data. Okay. So if you're able to make this 2,000, That means in a month, monthly profits will be 12,000. Okay, that's what is going to be coming every blessed month on this. That's if you settle to sell at this. Okay, so now the price evaluation too here, you can see it here. This is the second one, which is 300. Here you are reducing the cost of sale cost, as in how much you are selling. That's you reduce just 1 naira, and then the profit you'll be making per each sales is 5 naira. Then the monthly sale target here is 5,000. And if you're able to do that, in a month, you'll be going home with 25,000 every month. Now, remember, this is different from what you must have heard in telecom business. In the actual sense, this is actually called what we call passive income. Passive income in the sense that once this start coming, people that has trust you with your platform, they will not look elsewhere to buy from another provider. In as much as their services are delivering, which I cover most of them in the YouTube mastering course and also the telecom hackbook blueprint. I cover a lot of things there. So that is why I recommend you get that too, which is the YouTube mastering course and that of the telecom hackbook blueprints. Then plus your websites. So everything we total around 25,000 naira to get started in this. Don't make the mistake of just picking the package alone and thinking you're going to make. You may get a little customer in the beginning, but the long run perspective is what I'm looking. I'm not looking at the short run. So the third one is you are making a sale of 500 every day. Then the sale cost is 223 naira. So the actual profit you make per sale is 4 naira. Then the monthly sale target is 10,000. Okay. Then here you are going to be making 40,000. The price evaluation for the fifth one is 50. And here you are selling at 230, which is very, some platforms are selling at that. Okay. Now, if you increase the amount you make per profit, you may end up selling less. So that's just the secret about the business. So, but here you're making a profit of 12 naira per sale, and maybe you're making 30,000 in a month. Okay, so that means you are going to be making what? You are going to be making 36,000 every blessed month. Okay, so now the other one is 100, randomly 100 a day. You're still selling at 230. Some platforms are selling at 240. Some are even selling at 250. Some are selling at 300. So you are still on a very good margin. So you will see that here, this particular one, we are making the same amount, but you're selling at 5,000. That's please, this figure is supposed to be 3,000, please, not 30,000, please. It's supposed to be 3,000. So we are making a profit of 60,000. That's if you increase your monthly sale target to 5,000. We are making a profit of 60,000. Then the price evaluation of the last package, not the package, please, the last demonstration is 200. And here you are still selling at 230. But right now you're making a sale of 10,000 every month. That means you're making 120,000 in a month on this. So this is the last demonstration. Now you may ask yourself, Shedrach, is this thing possible? It's 100% possible if you follow my instructions, but it becomes impossible if you didn't follow my principle. So how do you get started? It's very simple. Pick a package here. Pick package here. Go scroll down here, which is, I didn't say pick a package, please. I said pick MSD pack 1. Okay. Pick MSD pack 1. Pick this particular package. Then make a transfer right now. Okay. As you are watching this video, how do you make a transfer? See the bank to pay. Unique Recharge Solution Access Bank. Okay. So after you make your payment, send this notification to WhatsApp, which is 081 36 36 7446. See the number here on WhatsApp. You can also send as SMS, but we prefer WhatsApp because WhatsApp is always instant. So after that, you also go and make a purchase of the blueprints, the Telecom Hackbook blueprints, and the YouTube mastering course, which I'll leave the link in the description of this video. So once you are ready with any of these, you have made purchases, you get started in a right track. I'm going to make part 3 on this video. On that part 3, I'm going to be talking about scaling the business. I'm going to be talking about scaling this your business, making sure that you make more profits. In that video, we're going to be looking at the possible upgrade system or the packages you can upgrade your beauty websites to either increase, decrease the price you are getting the product, or better still, to add more features. So we compare two packages and I will show you the pros and cons inside the packages, then leave you with the hand of making decision. But please, if you are really interested in doing this business, as you are watching this video, drop the video, get started, either contact WhatsApp to make few inquiries, and then go ahead to make your payment because you cannot follow this tutorial if you don't have a VTU website with us because the thing will be a mirage to you. So, but to conclude, I will ask you to do one thing for me, which is subscribing, like, and sharing this video, and turn on the mail notification icon so that when I make the next series on this, which is probably scaling up this your small business, I'm going to notify you on your email. Having said that, I remain your host, Mr. Shedrach. I'm going to see you in the next video. Get started right away by picking the package bulk order. The total amount you have to spend is just 25,000. Get started now and be making nothing less than 200k in a month.